Hello students and welcome to your next science class. But ma'am, who are these? Oh, you cannot identify these people, no? Right. These are your friends. She is Rai. Okay. So she is Rai. This is Ram. His name is Ram. And this is Raj. Okay. These are three new members in my class. Now what they will do? There is a story why they came here. Okay. So one day Rai, Ram and Raj went to a beautiful garden. And in that garden there were lots and lots of colorful flowers. And Rai was so excited to collect some beautiful flowers for her home. So Ram and Raj thought, okay, we will also collect some flowers and we will take home. So three of them started collecting beautiful flowers from the garden. And after collecting lots of flowers, they sat in a corner of a garden. Okay. Now, where are those flowers you know? Here are those flowers. And they are very excited to take these flowers. Now the problem is that so many colorful flowers are there and they all want to take flowers. Now how they will equally divide? Because even they doesn't want to hurt their friends. Okay, so Rai gave an idea. Rai told that there are many flowers. So let us collect one flower each for our family members. I will go home and I will give one flower each to my every family members. Okay. So Ram and Raj, they were also agreed. Yes. We will collect flowers, one flower each for our family members. Okay. So how many family members are there? In your family, and in my family? Rai asked. Now Raj told, in my family, I am there, my sister is there, my father is there, and my mother is there. So, let us give Raj flowers according to his family members. Okay. So, Raj chose pink color flowers. So, let us give Raj pink color flowers. So, Raj, this is for Raj. This is for his sister. This is for his mother. And this one is for his father. So, Raj told that I took all the flowers. Now, it's the turn of Ram. Ram is asking for orange color flowers. Now Rai told, okay, now you tell ma'am how many flowers you need. So Ram told, one for me. So this is for Ram. One for my sister. Okay, so this is for Ram's sister. One for my father. So this is for Ram's father. One for my mother. So this is for Ram's mother. One for my grandpa. So this is for Ram's grandpa. And one for my grandma. So this is for Ram's grandma. Now Rai is ready to collect for her family members. So now Rai started. Okay Rai, come on. How many do you need? One for me. So Rai is telling ma'am one for me. So Rai has chosen blue color flowers. So one for Rai. One for her brother. They are boys, so they are having sister. And Rai is a girl, so she is having brother. Now, one for her mother. One for her father. One for her grandpa. One for her grandma. One for her uncle. One for her auntie. And one for her cousin. Yes, son or daughter of uncle or auntie. So she was having one cousin also. She wants to collect one for her cousin. So now Raj has taken 4 flowers, each for one family member. Ram has taken 6 flowers, each for his family members. And Rai has taken 9 flowers, each for her family members. So now Raj is asking Ram and Rai, why both of you are collecting more flowers than me? Raj is asking them. And Ram is telling, Raj, please don't blame me. Rai has taken lots of flowers, see? And now Rai is telling, I'm having lots of family members. What I will do? I have taken only one for each, and even you have taken one for each. Then after Raj, Ram and Rai came to me. And they were telling me, both Raj and Ram, ma'am, see, Rai has taken so many flowers. And she is telling she has taken one for each family member. So how come it possible? Then I explained them, Raj, you have taken 4 flowers, right? How many flowers Raj has taken? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 4 flowers. That means Raj is living in a which family? Small family. Okay. Father, mother, brother, sister. So Raj is living in a small family which is having only 4 family members. Whereas Ram has taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. My God, 6 family members. That means Ram is living in a large family where he is having himself, sister, father, mother, grandpa and grandma. So, in large families, children live with grandparents. Okay? In large families, children live with grandparents. Whereas in small family, they live only with their parents. And here Rai, how many Rai has collected? Rai has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So many. So now Rai is crying that all are blaming her, but she has taken only 1 for each family member. Obviously Rai has taken only 1 for each family member. Rai is staying in a joint family. Okay, and in joint family, children live with parents, grandparents and with their uncle and auntie also. They live with the cousins also. It's a big family, and in this family there is lots and lots of enjoyment. You know, in big families or joint families, we can enjoy much more than in a small family. So now they understood, Raj understood that he lives in a small family, Ram lives in a large family and Rai lives in a joint family. So now let us make them understand again that Raj, you are living in a small family, whereas Ram is living in a large family and Rai is living in a joint family where there are many family members. In large family, children live with grandparents. In joint family, children live with grandparents, parents as well as uncle and aunties. And here in a small family, children live with only with their parents. Understood? So this was the reason that Rai took 9 flowers, because in joint family maximally we can have 7, 8, 9, 10 or more than 10 members also. In large family we have at least 6 to 7 members, 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 members, and in small family 3 to 4 members. Okay, so I hope you understood with this story that what is small family, what is large family and what is joint family. So in my next part, I will show you what are the relationships in the family. Thank you.